The Kings of Test Cricket. Top 50 highest run scorers ever. Number 50, Dimuth Karunaratne. Number 49, Wally Haymond. Number 48, Gary Kirsten. Number 47, David Boone. Number 46, Desmond Haynes. Number 45, Clive Layard. Number 44, Mark Taylor. Number 43, Mohammed Yusuf. Number 42, Gordon Greenidge. Number 41, Colin Cowdrey. Number 40, Ross Taylor. Number 39, Justin Langer. Number 38, Ian Bell. Number 37, Michael Atherton. Number 36, Mark Waugh. Number 35, Garfield Sobers. Number 34, Jeff Boycott. Number 33, Kevin Peterson. Number 32, Angelo Matthews. Number 31, Dawid Gower. Number 30, Alex Stewart. Number 29, Viv Richards. Number 28, Virender Sehwag. Number 27, Matthew Hayden. Number 26, Michael Clark. Number 25, A.B. de Villiers. Number 24, VVS Laxman. Number 23, David Warner. Number 22, Inzamam ul Haq. Number 21, Javed Miandad. Number 20, Graham Gooch. Number 19, Virat Kohli. Number 18, Graeme Smith. Number 17, Kane Williamson. Number 16, Hashim Amla. Number 15, Yunus Khan. Number 14, Sunil Gavaskar. Number 13, Steve Smith. Number 12, Steve Waugh. Number 11, Alan Border. Number 10, Mahela Jayawardene. Number 9, Shivnarine Chanderpaul. Number 8, Brian Lara. Number 7, Kumar Sangakkar. Number 6, Alistair Cook. Number 5, Rahul Dravid. Number 4, Jacques Kallis. Number 3, Ricky Ponting. Number 2, Joe Root. Number 1, Sachin Tendulkar. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these other awesome videos.